So in this video I will show you step by step how you can do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy S20fe in 2024. So first of all, what we want to do once we have opened up our phone right here is we want to head over to our settings, and then once we are on our settings you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and then select About Phone. Now once we click on About Phone, you'll then be brought to this page, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here is where you'll now see an option for reset, and then if we click on this, that will then open up this page right here. Now we've got a couple of options right here. If you want to hard reset this phone, what we want to do is we want to click on Factory Data Reset, and then as you can see, what we will then be able to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on Reset to confirm this. Once you click on Reset, what that will do is it will erase all of the information, all of the apps and all of the data that you have stored on this specific device. And then that is a full hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy S20fe.